गुड इवनिंग फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज एचआर फ्रेंड गिरीश। एक दिन निकले शहर हम, दिल में कुछ अरमान थे। एक तरफ थी झोपड़ियाँ, एक तरफ शमशान थे। पांव तले एक हड्डी आई, उसके यही बयान थे। ऐ चलने वाले ज़रा संभल कर चल, हम भी कभी इंसान थे। Friends, once again, the lockdown has been extended for another 15 days, and the next closing day of the lockdown in Karnataka would be 7th of June. And as a me, HR manager, and we as a HR professional, and we as a common citizen of our India and common citizen of our country and a resident of our loving state Karnataka, so we have to help each other. And as per the profession is concerned, in our factories, in our companies, there are two category of the employees are working. One is a white collar and second one is the blue collar or the workers. Most of the time, white collars are executives, senior executives, officers and managers, and above the managers and even directors. Even if this severe second wave of corona, the white collars have an option to stay in home safely and to work at the home and work from home. But coming to very importantly, the blue collars or the common workers or laborers, those are working in the factory units, exclusively in the pharmaceutical units and fast moving consumer goods, foods, and all the essential services providing factories, units, and the companies, the laborers and the workers. So we as a HR professional, we need to take care them on first priority, and the blue collars, because every factory, company or the industry, the backbones are the blue collar employees and blue collar laborers. So let us, we all HR professionals, HR managers working in various industries, factories, companies, construction sites, and essential goods, services providing companies, we have to take care utmost on the workers or the blue collars on priority basis. And we have to ensure in our factories, construction sites, and the working areas, exclusively where the blue collars or the laborers are working, the complete safety. We have to ensure that all the blue collar laborers and including our white collar laborers are working at the time. They have to wear the mask compulsorily, and they have to use sanitization frequently, and we have to maintain and we have to convey everybody in our factory, construction site, and the companies to maintain social distancing and physical distancing of minimum more than 3 feet. So when we are working and even in the factories, we have to guide and we have to train each and every ground level employee or the worker or the blue collar labor to wear the mask, to wear all the personal protective equipments, and to work with a distance of more than 3 feet between two laborers or two workers, and keep sanitizing on frequent intervals. So friends and my dear professional working in various industries, corporate, because we professionals working in the factories, industries, and the corporate world, so we are contributing the maximum to our nation or our country's gross domestic product, that is a GDP. And out of 3 crores tax givers, or in our country India, 3 crore taxpayers are there, and even most of the taxpayers are white collars, I can say, industrialists, businessmen, okay, and all the builders, you can say. So most of the white collars are also taxpayers, or in the other way I can say that most of the taxpayers are white collars and industrialists, businessmen and builders, and all the you can say entrepreneurs. So we also have to take care of ourselves, and we have to ensure that the common worker and the laborer who is working in our factory, construction site and industry, so they have to take care of themselves. They have to use the complete personal protective equipment, and by this we can surely fight with corona second wave and even corona third wave also. So thank you very much for listening me. So I shall come with my another very interesting video. So please subscribe my YouTube channel HR Friend Girish for getting the latest updates on human resources, industrial relations, employee relations, labor law compliance and statutory compliance and the allied subjects. So thank you very much. Bye.